Okay guys, it's Tuesday and we're back in the shop. Fender is all done. We're going to prime it today. We also found that was a big mess when we first started. It was a big hole going inside the car. Somebody had not bothered to fix it. So now it's all fixed and she's ready to get primed. We're going to pull one more fender off just to check everything here because I'm an anal pain in the ass. But it all pays out in the sense, it all works out in the end. Wow, what the hell was I trying to say? Let's get to it. Roadrunner is primed. Well, kind of. We got a little bit more to do on it. The fenders. The body guy. And all of the above. Now we get to start sanding her and find all the imperfections. Yep. She's got a few of them. All right. We'll see you tomorrow.